Right now I'm in the middle of inviting y'all to my lobby so that we can get some ranks fixed. Let's get this done. Some of you guys are already in here. Where do I want to go? Let me go to the airport. Okay, I'm at the airport. Oh, and by the way, I'm using last team standing V2.51 mod menu. Yeah, that's last team standing mod menu. I just teleported to the airport. I'm going to get my people over here so I can fix their ranks real quick. There he is. What was that to say? So with this menu. It's not teleporting. No, I know they make solid menus. Rules and ChemDog and Ian and all them that test this and work on it and do a good job. If y'all are looking for a new menu, check this one out. Teleport these guys to me. Let me find out what ranks they want real quick. What ranks do you guys want? Anybody on the mic? Hold on one second. So I got the headset on and nobody's telling me what rank they want to be, so I'm just going to knock them out. It's like, no. It does that because it's R1 and circle to open the menu. I'm going to rank these guys up to 140 so they can at least get all the guns and shit. But, I don't know. Okay, I'm giving them 1,000 RP. I don't know what the fuck that does. Rank 11. 1250? This dude told me he wants to be 1250. Okay. Whatever. Let me see. We'll do that twice and see what that gives him. 34. Okay, we gotta do higher than that. Let's do that once and see what that does. 346. Alright, there we go. What's up? No problem, bud. Alright, well, I'm gonna continue doing this. Y'all need to add me on here if y'all want your ranks fixed.